today we're gonna be making these double dark chocolate chunk shortbread cookies, and just one bite of these will make you realize that you have never had anything so chocolatey in your life. They just melt in your mouth. They're very unique, like all of my recipes. Let's get started. To start these cookies, it's very simple. I'm putting 1 cup of unsalted butter into my bowl, which is at room temperature. I'm going to be whipping this up until it's nice and creamy. This could of course be done by hand too if you like. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I post new quick and easy recipes every other day, and they always have a unique twist to them, so be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss out. Now once the butter is whipped up and nice and creamy, I'm going to be adding the sugar. This is 1/2 cup of powdered sugar being added, and this gives the cookies their nice and silky smooth feel. I'm also adding 1/2 cup of deep dark cocoa powder. This is going to give those cookies that midnight, almost black color. The taste is very intense chocolatey, perfect for you true chocolate lovers out there. Once the batter resembles this fudgy consistency, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla being added, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix in the flour and those dark chocolate chips. Mix the rest of this up until it's fully incorporated. You might have to switch up to a spatula because this batter gets pretty thick. And for the last part, these shortbread cookies need to chill in order to firm all that butter back up. So you could either pop this into the fridge in the bowl, or I'm gonna roll this into a log wrapped in some parchment paper and slice these when I'm ready to bake them. As usual, don't forget that the recipes are always written down below in the description box. Now once you're ready to bake these cookies off, I'm simply going to be slicing them, or you could scoop them onto your parchment lined baking sheet, and these are going to go into a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm warning you now, these are intensely dark chocolate in flavor. These are little slices of heaven, and it's for those true chocolate lovers out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and stay tuned for more of my videos.